For my 3C's digital workflow demo, I'm showing two methods for sharing documents with my student's Chromebook. The materials for this homework include my iPad for recording purposes, the attainment book on doing the right thing, my Google Drive, and the student's Chromebook. I screen record my iPad, then go to my Google Drive. I click the Scan Document option in my Google Drive. I need to adjust the settings on my iPad to enable the Google Drive camera to capture pictures or scan documents. This is the only way I can share documents or materials with my students, as I'm not permitted to download apps or programs on their Chromebooks. I scan all the documents using the camera from Google Drive and drag the near corners to adjust and correct the dimensions. Once done, I save the document by typing the file document's name, for example, Attainment, Do the Right Thing, and save it into my 2025-26 folder. I put my iPad away, open my laptop and Chrome web browser to locate the attainment document in my Google Drive. I move my cursor to the right side of the document, click the Share button, enter the student's email, set his role as a viewer, and click Done. Using my student's Chromebook, I open his Google Drive and it shows the document is here. As a viewer, he can access the document by scrolling up or down and using the zoom feature to view the contents at a larger or smaller size. Another way for my students to access the activity to mark or type responses to the question is by using the snipping tool and Google Slides or Docs. For this sample, I use Google Slides. It is easier for me to snip and paste when the document is in print size. I click Print, and a separate window is my Google Slides activity. I open the snipping tool by typing snipping tool in the search box at the bottom of my page. I snip the picture, then paste it in Google Slides. To make the font bigger, I just snip the passage and drag it to the desired size. I hover between two windows. To enable the student to mark or type a response, I use the text box in Google Slides. The text box is located in the top left area, third row between Select and Shapes button. Once done, I place the text box in the respective questions and share the Google Slides with the student by clicking the Share button, typing the student's email address, and giving him editor access. Once the student accesses the activity through his Chromebook, I can see the student's work in my Google Drive. I demonstrated two methods for students to access the lesson as viewers and editors using Google Drive. I hope you found something valuable in my presentation. Thank you.